Stop preparation for PBA season?
Well, syempre always excited naman po kami. Tagal din nung nakuha namin break eh. So, pagbalik namin ng first practice, close naman kami lahat sa team. So, talagang miss na miss namin isa. And, ayun, kulitan agad, and practice agad. And, yun, exciting.
Nga mo sa addition naman ni Stanley Pringle sa Rain or Shine, gano'n lang kalaki yung kumbaga impact niya so far since being added to the Elasto Painters?
Well, alam naman natin kung gaano ka-talented po si Kuya Stan. And bilang young player, si Kuya Gabe, idol ko eh. Lagi kong tinatanong and I'm learning from him every day sa practice. So dinagdagan mo pa ng si Kuya Stan. So just being a sponge, learning as much as I can. Actually, wala pa naman siya. Hindi pa namin pala siya nakaka-practice. Pero excited ako pag dumating na siya. Kukulitin ko si Kuya Stan. And, yeah.
How about your, syempre puro semifinals kayo last season. So, how do you see your team now with Stanley and maybe perhaps more experience for the coming season? How do you think, do you feel like Rain or Shine can move next level na ba for this?
Yun naman ang goal po. Yun naman ang goal namin palagi. And sabi nga ni Coach Cheng sa amin na since na-reach namin ng semis 4 straight times, anything less than that is we count as disappointment. So hopefully makapag-finals naman, matalo naman namin, malagpasan naman namin yung semis kasi nakasawa na matalo sa semis eh. Pero sana naman po, hopefully makalagpas kami ng semis and eventually win the championship for coaching.